Good morning, Cambodia! Hey, it's just after 8 o'clock in the morning. It's Wednesday, April 23, and this is day 3 of my bicycle ride from Saigon to Pattaya. And if we turn this around here, here's our road marker sign, Phnom Penh, 95 kilometers. So that's how far I'm going today. Woo-wee! Look at those blue skies. Like I said, it's just after 8 a.m. It's got to be 30-something already. Man alive, it's hot. Woo! Hot and humid. And do I love it or not? Yes, I love it. Have a look at this van here. Oh, you do get some rust buckets in Cambodia. As I've mentioned, look at that beautiful blue sky. But it is already in the low 30s, so like a good boy, yes, I already stopped to buy some water, and I'll be stopping every 10 or 15 kilometers along this journey to buy water and some snacks as well. All right, talking about snacks, something strange happened yesterday on the YouTube video, because on my original video, which I looked at this morning, the one on my laptop, I've got an extra 30 seconds of footage which didn't appear on the YouTube. So I'm going to insert it here. It was when I was buying some barbecue yesterday afternoon, and for some reason when I uploaded it to YouTube, that 30 seconds didn't appear. So here it is right now. Here I am still on the main highway, 140 kilometers to go to Phnom Penh, and I fancied something to eat, so I stopped. This guy's got a barbecue grill going there, so I ordered myself one of each. So I've got sausage, barbecue stick, like little baby sausage balls there with some papaya salad, an energy drink called crud, Cambodia beer, and water. So the 3 drinks was 4,000 together. That included a discount because I won. When I pulled the cap there, I won a discount. And actually the crud, I won a whole can, but I said to the man, you can have my can. We do get snakes in Southeast Asia, and obviously Cambodia has snakes. Here's one, about 1.5 meters long, but it's been well squished. You see that? Not alive anymore. He's gone to snake heaven. I've been cycling exactly 1 hour, managed to do 15 kilometers the first hour, which is pretty good. And for breakfast, gonna have my favorite sugarcane juice. So the price of the sugarcane juice here, identical size to Vietnam, is 2,000 of the Cambodian money. That's exactly 50 cents American, because you get 4,000 local Cambodian money for $1 US. So I'm heading that way to Phnom Penh, 80 kilometers to go. Let's see how loaded up this guy is. Not so overloaded, that one. Because it's funny, they do like to overload their little motorcycle carts in this country. I didn't see anything like this in Vietnam, but you see a lot of ornate temples in Thailand. So this is more akin to Thailand, even though, of course, this is Cambodia. A little bit different style of architecture to the temples in Thailand. They almost look like tombs. Yes, actually, perhaps this is an ornate cemetery. Yes, I wonder if these are tombs of some kind. If anybody knows, leave it in the comments below. I mean, some of these are absolutely wonderful. The white and gold one there. Look at these gold ones here. So ornate. Matching pair here. Yes, possibly tombs of some kind. So put it in the comments below if you know what these are. If you look behind me there, you may be able to see a suspension bridge looming in the distance. Because finally, we're going to get some uphill on this trip. Ever since leaving Saigon, haven't had any uphill yet. So this is not much of an uphill, but at least it does go up. So I'll cycle to the top of the hill and see if I can film some footage from the top. 200 feet in the air. Finally, the views are getting a little bit more spectacular. Look at this. Another one of those massive rivers, like the Mekong, but not the Mekong. So I'll give you another view when we're at the top. So here I am at the highest point of the road bridge. So with nothing coming to the left, nothing coming to the right, let's walk over the bridge. And this is the view from 250 feet above the water. That is south, heading towards the Gulf of Thailand. That's east, heading towards Vietnam. That's north, heading towards Laos. And that is west, heading towards Thailand. And also Phnom Penh today. Not much traffic coming. I'm gonna risk my life, scoot across the road. There you go, there's my bicycle. All safe and sound. And for those of you that know me well, what goes up must go down. It's just after 12 o'clock lunchtime. Hoo-wee, that sun is getting hot. About 35 degrees right now. Humidity is right up there. I just stopped, get myself yet another drink. This time it's sugarcane. I just ordered my sugarcane. I'm imagining this is the husband, because this is the wife. Very friendly lady. Nice smile. And yeah, she has a nice pile of residue there. And here is my sugarcane juice. Only the second I've had today, but I've had a lot of water. I would think a good 6 or 7 bottles already. I've had 1 beer, 6 or 7 waters, 1 energy drink, and 2 sugar canes. Wow, but you need it. Humidity is so high, and I'm just pedaling away. Whoo-wee. You can see how beautiful and blue the sky is in between the clouds. Very nice weather indeed. The road surface has deteriorated a little bit. It's more like a 5 out of 10 now. Earlier this morning it was a 7 out of 10. In places it's actually gone down to a 3 or a 4. So not too bad when it's a 7. Pretty horrible when it's a 3 or a 4. All right, I'm gonna keep trucking. And Phnom Penh, another 45 kilometers that way. If you look closely, you'll see the sweat running down my face. Here's something that looks interesting. Guarded by 2 majestic elephants. Got a nice archway there. Got a lot of flags. You see the flags are hardly moving, which is good. Now that I'm inland, seems we don't have so much wind. Hello! Smile, you're on camera! Some kind of monastery, I'm thinking. Ornate gate. Ooh-ha, there's a big hump. Yes. Ah, I'm thinking we may be on the banks of the Mekong River here. Let's go down here and just have a look. See if we can see the mighty Mekong. I checked earlier, that a suspension bridge I went over, that was the Mekong River. Right, so here's the end of this. Oh, look at that for a snake. See that? The man riding the serpent. So yes, in the distance, can you see the Mekong River? There you are. The mighty Mekong, which we crossed 2 months ago heading into Ho Chi Minh City, and we crossed it again this morning. Good afternoon, Cambodia. It's mid-afternoon, still bloody hot. Around about 35 or 36 Celsius, depending which weather app you go to. I'm on the outskirts of the city of Phnom Penh now. I can actually see some high-rise buildings in the distance, so I guess 7 or 8 kilometers to downtown. So I've done 80-something kilometers so far today. So getting closer. And if you look ahead, the road is reasonable. Not that great. It's been reasonable all day, which is good. Just in case you're wondering, the population of this city, Phnom Penh, capital of Cambodia, is about 2.3 million, whereas Ho Chi Minh City, otherwise known as Saigon, is almost 10 million. So a vast difference in the size of the cities. Saigon is at least 4 times larger than Phnom Penh, and Hanoi is between 8 and 9 million people. So Hanoi and Saigon, 2 mega cities of almost 10 million people each, and the population of Vietnam as a whole is about 100 million, and the population of Cambodia as a whole is only 17 million. So Cambodia, a lot less populated, and Thailand in comparison is just over 70 million population these days. So there you go, that's the difference in the cities. All right, we're trucking along the highway. I've kept up a pretty good pace all day. Not much wind. What wind has been swirling around. So I can't say it's from behind or from the front or from the side. Seems to be everywhere today, and that's fine. The wind's not an issue at the moment. The hardness of the road is, it's gone down on this particular lane here, it's gone down to about a 5 out of 10. So I'm starting to get a little bit of saddle soreness. So hopefully I'll find a hotel within the next 10 kilometers. That'll be my bunk for tonight. Then tomorrow, I'm gonna go into Phnom Penh, do a little bit of exploring. So I'll show you that tomorrow. Good evening, Cambodia. It's now 6 p.m. I got to the outskirts of Phnom Penh at 4 o'clock. I've actually spent the last 2 hours inside the dental clinic because for the last 3 days I've had toothache. So I thought while I was going past a nice quality dental clinic, I would go in, and they did a lot of work. They did cleaning. They gave me, I think, 3 fillings and a whole bunch of work. The total was $65 US, way over my budget. So it's what it is what it is, I guess. She wants to do more dental work on me tomorrow, but they want $100 for that, and I just cannot afford it. So I think I'm going to give that a miss. Wait till I get back to Thailand and earn some money. So I'm going to have to tell them to cancel that. All right, so I'm going to go outside again. Now with my teeth nice and shiny and clean because I gave them a good cleaning. All right, I'm going to say to you guys, I'm going to leave you with miles of smiles.